Hello guys, so let's start today's session. I'll be taking few trades based on supply and demand levels.
But before I start taking the trades, let me explain what supply and demand really means and how to identify them. What if I told you the market moves because of just one thing? Supply and demand. Master this and I promise you will start seeing trades that others miss. Supply and demand is the balance between buyers and sellers. When more people want to buy, prices goes up, that is demand. And when more people wants to sell, the prices goes down, that is supply. Now think of it like this. If many want to buy, prices rise. If many wants to sell, prices fall. Demand zone. A demand zone is a demand zone is where price previously moved up strongly. This shows that buyers were in control, and when price returns here, it often rises again because buyers may still be active. You understand me, guys? Now, smart traders look for buy opportunities in these zones. Supply zones. Supply zones is the opposite of a demand zone. It's where price dropped sharply before, showing sellers were in control. When price comes back to this area, traders expect it to fall again and look for sell opportunities. Supply and demand works because of human behavior. Big institutions place large orders in these zones. When price returns, these orders triggers again, causing price to react repeatedly at the same level. Here's a simple strategy. Identify strong move. Mark the base before it, that is your zone. Mark it with a rectangle. Wait for price to return, then enter with confirmation. Always use proper risk management and do not risk too much on one trade. Never risk too much on one trade. So guys, let's dive right into the video and let me use the real chart example to explain exactly how supply and demand works and the reason why you should take good use of it and make money from the market. So let's go, guys.
Oh no, my intro was not too good. If it goes up again, I'll enter fund. Okay. The market is in a downtrend, and this is a strong bearish engulfing candle. You can see how strong the candle is already down, and this is strong supply area, which means that buyers are here in this area. So waiting for the price to get to this our supply area, and immediately the price tapped into our supply, we went in for a sale, and that was a winning trade, guys. Okay, look at the next trade we took on this session. I took this trade here based on, you can see this is a demand area. The market is in a downtrend. We went against the trend here, but why I took this trade with this demand is because this demand is a very strong demand. You can see this bullish engulfing candle which broke this resistance here. You can see this is a resistance level. this resistance. So this bullish engulfing candle broke this resistance, so I'm waiting for the price to come to this my level here, and I went in for a buy on this candle, and it was a winning trade. I've taken 4 trades, though with a minimum of $1, and I've taken 4, all 4 are winning trade. I think it will be best for me to end my session here if I don't find any good setup in the market. Okay, now I have gone in. I've entered on this trade for $3, and then let me explain the reason why I entered this trade. Now, the logic behind this trade is this is a resistance area. Consider this resistance area here is a level of third touch breakout. You can see this, and then this is a doji. This also is a doji. There are 2 dojis here, so this is a doji break. You can see this is a doji break, and this candle pattern here, this pattern where you have a little bullish candle followed by a very large bullish candle often give reversal, and doji breaks give reversal. Let me mark the doji break for you so you can see it more clearly. That's what I'm explaining here. This candle here, which looks like cross, is a doji, and then this other one here is also a doji. So you can see this is a beautiful doji break. This is a double, we call this a double doji break, plus together with this pattern. This is a double doji. You can see this doji here and this other doji here. So this is a doji break together with this pattern. Let me mark out this pattern here. But take a look at this now. This pattern often give reversal. So when I spotted this double doji break, I spotted this third touch breakout. This is the first touch, this is second touch, then this is the third touch that was broken, and then together with a doji break, together with this reversal pattern, I know that this trade will give a reversal. So I waited for it, and I went in here for $3, and that was a winning trade. Now I'm also waiting for the market to come here. I waited for it here, it didn't come here, down here. So now I'm waiting for the market to come here. You can see this is a strong bullish candle to the upside. So if the market comes here to give a reversal, the market comes here to give a reversal. So the market, I'm saying the market will go up a bit. The market will go up a bit, then it will come down, then come to this demand here and keep buying to the upside. Now this, see, this also here is a third touch breakout setup. See this here, it's a third touch breakout setup. If what happens here at this third touch breaker eventually happens here, then we can go in for we can enter this trade for a third touch breakout. But I think I'll end my session here. I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've taken 7 trades, and all are winning trades. There's still a good opportunity in the market, but I think I'll end my session here. Let's watch if the market will come here or to go here. If it comes down here, I'll go for a buy. If it comes here, I'll enter for a sell. It's not in all scenarios, but it usually gives reversal. When you have a big candle or a little candle followed by a big candle, it gives reversal. So I was expecting this candle to come down a bit, so that I'll go in for a buy on the next candle, but it retraced immediately without coming into our level, so we missed this trade. And today overall we took 7 trades, and all 7 were all winning trades. Thank you guys for watching, and
also do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more, and also comment your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out guys.